The Komatsu Machine Touch app is a mobile app that supports the reports functionality of Komatsu Aftersales Support application. This mobile app is available in both Google Play for Android and App Store for iOS. Before we dive into the actual demonstration, let me explain first how the application manages the machine touch activity. First, machine is targeted in the deal map, and an inspector is sent to the machine for inspection and creates the report. The report is submitted and the PSSR manages the report, and deal is attached and proposed to the customer. So further negotiation will then lead to quotation approval, thus the deal is won. So all of these processes can be monitored using both the after-sales support web application and the machine touch application in the mobile phone. Enter your email address and click Next, and then enter your password. After that, please approve the sign-in request. It could also be the code that Microsoft sent you. Now that you've logged in, it will immediately prompt you to the home page of the application. If you want to log out, please click Profile, and in the profile, click Log Out, and it will sign you out of the application. In the home screen, we have 6 options. First is the MTA. This is used to create machine touch report, and all the uploaded reports will be saved in the MTA History option. And we also have the Adhoc reports, which is used to create ad hoc digitalized reports, and all the submitted reports will be logged into the reports histories. Next is we have the sync function. This is where we download the machine information and report templates. And again, we have the profile, which is used for changing language, image quality, or log out from the app. So I will explain these options one by one, starting from the MTA. Just click the MTA, and then it will prompt you to write the customer name and the machine details. You can either write these fields manually, say for example the customer name, or you can select from the machine list of the distributor. So once you've found your machine, just click it and notice that the machine details are automatically populated. Just need to confirm the details and select the correct report type from these report templates. In the search machine list, you also have filter option, where you can filter out the customer that you are looking for, say for example this one, and then in the 4th column, we also have the location data of the machine. So if you click this link, it will lead you to the map functionality of the app. So this is the map location. Once you've confirmed that the machine is actually near you, or you've selected the right machine, then you can go back to the list and then select that correct machine. Okay, make sure that you've selected the machine before you go back to that screen first. So again, confirm if the details are correct, select the report type, and then click Create Report. So after that, it will lead you to this tab. So first, we have the basic information. So in here will reflect the information that we have written down earlier. We also have the get location function, and it will reflect the current location of our mobile phone. Next one is the machine information. So here you can select the overview picture of the machine, like the far view or even the SMR, something like that. So if you already have your picture on your phone, then you can just select gallery. Or if you want to use the camera, then select camera and take a picture of the machine. Click OK. Alright. After that, you can write a comment or description to these pictures. So now you're ready to create the main contents of the report, which are the main components. So select one of these components and then select the urgency, and you need to write in the subcomponent and its phenomenon. A list will appear, but you can also manually write down on these fields. So in the same way earlier, let's select camera, take a picture of the failure, and write a comment, or you can add another failure item and do the same thing. So let's write a comment right here. So once you've done inputting the details, you can either send this report, or you can wait for the internet connection to be available and then just save the report for the meantime. So automatically your report will appear in the MTA history. So coming back to home, let us click MTA history button. So here will be the report that we just saved earlier. If we select that report and click edit, we can change some of the details or add some of failure information. But once you've confirmed the information, then you can click submit and click OK. Adhoc report function enables to digitalize most of all paper report format, and user can input inspection result by mobile. So any reports can be digitalized by this process, and once this process is done, you can now create a report using the mobile application. By demonstration, so in the mobile app, click the Adhoc report, and then in this screen, you need to put the customer details and machine information, same process that we did in the MTR earlier. And then below is the report type. So you need to select the template or which kind of report you will be using. You have 3 categories. You need to select each and every one and then just confirm and then select create report. So we have 3 main parts: the header, the body, and the footer. So header mainly refers to machine information or customer information. And the body is where we input the report details. So in this case, you just need to select from these choices and then select fields from this list. Just continue to populate all the needed information. And in here, you might have noticed that we have a question mark button right here. So this is the tooltip that will show you some advice for the report or some comments about this item. Okay. Just make sure that you've completely populated all the items, and then the same way in the MTR, you can also select pictures from gallery or capture pictures by using your camera. And the footer part usually refers to comments or signatures. In this template, we just put the comment. And once you're ready, you can submit or save the report. All the submitted reports will reflect in the Reports tab of the web application, and it is divided into two. First is the machine touch report, and then the second is the ad hoc reports. Here you can manage your reports. As a PCSR, you can then attach your deals into these reports. In the sync option, we have 4 items. First is the machines, the machine touch and ad hoc report templates, and we also have the language. The sync button will download the latest information from the system, thus the word sync. You can also click sync all to download all items. In the profile options, we will see the profile name, the logout button, and the profile settings or preferences. First is the language. We can choose from the supported language. All of these languages can be translated in the admin application. We also have the image quality, and by default, we've selected the medium quality. And also shown is the distributor name. So if you have changed anything, you can just click Update Profile. You can download your report by clicking the small PDF button on the right side, and then it will automatically download on the next tab of your browser. So this will be your machine touch report output looks like. First will be the front page that consists of the first view of the machines and the machine information and all other overview pictures that you have inserted. And then the third page will be the inspection summary, followed by the inspection content.